How you guys doing tonight? I'm doing good. Stop filming. Really appreciate that.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
In the game. It's still loud. Hey. Alright. My stories. Half black. What? Okay, so, wow. That's, different. No Show Marino was released? Who? Well, I didn't know that.
Baltimore. A working class city looking for its heroes to be more. It's the toughness of Johnny U and the unbreakable heart of Ray Lewis. In Baltimore, even the band won't surrender. These are the Ravens. In the Mile High City, the standards are just as high. It's Elway leading the drive. They're going back to back with Sharp and Shanahan. In Denver, they still win for John. These are the Broncos.
Opening week always gives off a special feeling, so there's no question everybody's excited for this game between the Baltimore Ravens and the Denver Broncos here at Sports Authority Field at Mile High. Hello, friends. Jim Nance along with Phil Simms. And Phil, it's the start of a whole new season. There's a sense of renewal in the air and all kinds of hope. And how do you feel about getting this season underway? Jim, this is like Christmas, man. I go down there, open up a present. I have no idea what's inside that box. And that's what the coaches are thinking. They're not sure about their football teams. They don't know, but they're going to get some of those answers here today. And whatever happens, don't judge your whole season on realize it's just one game, make the corrections, and move on. Let's go down to the field for the latest. And here's Danielle Bellini.
Thanks, guys. It's great to be here.
in the slot. First and 10. Trying to work the middle of the field.
I think the best thing to say about that play is just it gained a few yards, so that's what you do. All plays don't score. Sometimes you just want to pick up a couple yards.
Bill, you look at the Denver Broncos, and you think about a team that was a #1 seed in the AFC playoffs last year, but had the all-time heartbreak at the end of that game against Baltimore in the divisional round. Jacoby Jones got behind the secondary, sent the game to overtime, and the Broncos season would end in double overtime.
You need a little luck sometimes to win a Super Bowl, or, of course, I'm not saying it was luck for the Baltimore Ravens, but it was unfortunate for the Denver Broncos to give up a play like that in that situation. It happens once, Jim, maybe once every 15 years. It happened last year to Denver Broncos.
A tackle that had to be made. That'll set up fourth down. Deckers in the slot. He's looking to the right here on this throw. Tackle down right around the 47.
I just don't think that's a good job by the defense. It's fourth and short. You kind of know what the offense is going to do. They were not ready, and they give up the first down.
That reception gave them the first down. Play action. He'll throw it over the middle. A foot race to the end zone.
Jim, what a nice throw by the quarterback. Puts the football right in the hands of the wide receiver. He's behind the defense, but look at the hustle and the speed by the defense. They get the tackle from behind.
You look at the Broncos, obviously Peyton Manning's a strength of this team. What else do you see that you like?
Well, the offensive line, that's the first thing that jumps out at me, and I think it's the biggest reason why Peyton Manning went to the Denver Broncos in 2012. He thought, or he knew, that they could protect him, give him time, and when you do that to a good quarterback with experience, you don't need great wide receivers to get it done. Theirs were pretty good, but the offensive line jumps out at me. That's why you like defenders who are good punishing tacklers. Make those receivers worry about coming over the middle. They'll be careful the rest of this game because of that big hit.
Decker's going to get set in the slot for this snap. Manning from the gun, challenging the defenders to the right side. Quarterback was under a lot of duress on that pass, and alas, it's incomplete.
All right, listen, I know he was under duress, but you got to hit these type of throws in the NFL. You're not always going to get perfect protection. That's not a good job by the quarterback.
And he drives it through for the field goal.
You always want to be rewarded for a nice drive in a football game, even when it's a field goal, because you.
The Broncos lineup in a tight first half. The score's 7-3. Decker's lined up now as a slot receiver. Hillis is going to take the handoff now. Got the burst, and he's got some space. Denver in for the score.
Well, I'll give credit to the running back. That was a nice run for the long touchdown. No doubt about it, but he is not fast. And the defense was loafing. They were not hustling. That's why they gave up the touchdown.
The Broncos now ready to take over as their offense heads onto the field. Welker's a receiver in the slot. First down and 10. Going deep, looking for Demaryius Thomas. Into the open now as he crosses the first down marker. Touchdown.
So one-on-one, that's why I did that.
Nowadays, so many kids, they grow up, they want to be wide receivers. I don't blame them. They're out there, they get to catch the football, they get to score touchdowns, they get to do dances, and you're not really allowed to hit them either. What a job.
The Broncos offense ready now to see what it can do. Deckers lined up in the slot. 1st and 10. The throw to the left. Brings it into his body. Tackled at the 29-yard line.
That's a nice route on the outside. Nice throw by the quarterback. Puts him in good position to keep moving and get a first down.
I'll run into the 2-minute warning.
Deckers in the slot. Manning's going to take the snap from the shotgun. Manning up towards a long pass.
And quarterbacks love to throw the
My
football
fault.
high and far down the field.
Oh, for
That
sure.
time the quarterback doesn't do that, and he underthrows the receiver.
3rd and 1. Peyton Hillis gets the football to the right side. The tackle was made, but the first down is picked up. Halftime, 2 minutes away.
Good job of knowing the situation on the offensive side. 3rd and short. Don't look for a big run. Just get enough to get a first down and get those chains moving.
First down here after the run. Manning standing back in the shotgun, ready for the snap. That's Peyton hitting Joe Treason with that pass. Brought down at the 29.
The quarterbacks and wide receivers in this NFL now are so good. It's so easy for them to throw and catch and just keep picking up those first downs.
After the long game, let's see what they do here. Now 1st and 10. Looking for an open receiver on the right.
Well, they say arm strength is overrated in the NFL. I don't know who those people are. They don't know what they're talking about. It's a big part of playing quarterback. Look at that. He fires it in there in between the defenders for the completion.
About 200 yards already today.
Inside the red zone, so dangerous. 1st and 10. Time to call on Peyton Hillis. Darryl Smith brings him down.
When you're an offensive lineman, you can line up and just run the football straight ahead and pick up those kind of yards. You are going to get into the head of the defense. You're basically saying, we're tougher than you are, and we're just going to come right at you.
Manning's got it in the gun. Looking to the right side and throwing. What a hit, and the ball falls incomplete.
That was
Oh,
a big hit by the defender that time. The receiver drops the football. I'll tell you what, I guarantee the next time he goes over the middle, he'll be looking for that defender.
The Ravens defense brings in an extra member of the secondary. They'll go nickel. Manning's going to take it from the gun. That's finds the sacred side. Touchdown.
There is no lead in the NFL at stake. We all know that. We have seen tremendous comebacks. So you get there.
They come to the line of scrimmage. First down. The give to the running back. Throws the stiff arm. And gains about one. The Broncos signal for a timeout. They have 2 remaining. This will most likely be the final play before the half ends. Takes a knee. That doesn't for the first half. Ravens trail in this one, which is brought to you by Verizon. We're back here now in this one, where the Broncos lead by 10. Danielle Bellini is there with the latest from the sidelines.
Guys, I spoke with Coach Fox during halftime. His team has the lead, and he told me he's proud of the way his guys have battled it out there. He said it hasn't been pretty the whole time, but his play...
It's just been a game.
The Broncos offense now coming out. Decker's going to get set in the slot for this snap. First down and 10. Peyton Manning looking at interception by
Oh,
throws out the arm.
wow.
Nice job on the defense that time. In position, they read the quarterback's eyes, and it led to an interception.
That interception hurt. Have to punch it in, go down by 3 again.
The Broncos offense heads on to the field. Decker's lined up now as a slot receiver. First and 10. He'll fire it out to the left. They have their first down of the game.
That's what you want to do. Get a first down while you're on top and keep that clock moving and just controlling the football game. Good job by the offense managing things so far here today.
The offense is set at the line for the first down after that completion. Looking to go up top again on first down.
God dang it.
Right there, but it really should have been an interception.
Terrible throw by the quarterback. Terrible route by the wide receiver. Oh, wow, what a shot. The football was incomplete.
Second and 10. Screenplay is on. Oh, we got an injured player on the field.
Who's injured?
Well, that's going to hurt him tomorrow. There's no doubt about it. You get hit like that, you're
I ain't
going
worried
to feel
about
some
him.
of that pain tomorrow, but the good news is, I think he's going to be okay. Once he gets a little situated there, I think he'll be
Damn it!
going to lose yards here.
Well, that time, the defense gets the tackle behind
Yeah,
the
they got in
Listen,
that
I
time.
blame this one on the quarterback. When you see
How
the
you gonna
defense
play-
in a situation
No.
like that, you must change the play.
Yeah.
Don't waste one in the NFL. You don't get enough chances as it is, and that one lost yards.
It did.
Jacoby Jones from the 17. The tackle was made.
$24-24.
The Broncos come onto the field now for this next series. Decker's a receiver in the slot. Now first and 10. It's over to Welker. It's in.
Damn it!
The defender had it for a moment, but could not.
I cannot.
Cleanly.
Stop giving me these stupid
It's a terrible route.
curls.
Terrible throw by the quarterback. Oh, what a shot.
Oh man, they're playing tight too.
Second down and 10. He has the grab.
Woo!
When you can't hit the quarterback or put pressure on him, there's not much you're going to get done then. That time, the quarterback had time, throws it down the field for another completion.
This is third down. Peyton Hillis will run with it. The tackle's going to be made, and he's beyond the first down marker. requires a measurement. Well, they say it's a first down.
I don't know why it took so long to.
Peyton Manning under center. First and 10. Looking across the middle. Almost picked off.
Oh.
Well, these are the kind of throws in the NFL, Jim, you just take for granted that if it's open, you are going to hit it. But the quarterback makes a big mistake, leads the receiver too far to the inside, and goes incomplete.
Here's the handoff, and they'll run.
God dang it, this guy sucks.
How about the defensive line? Getting that penetration, getting off the football at the snap, and getting it done, getting in the backfield and making that tackle.
Third down and 13. That ball is picked off. What a play. Snickers is the proud sponsor of this satisfying defensive rebound. When hunger hits, Snickers satisfies.
They got a touchdown out of
The
that.
Broncos are ready to take over now as their offense heads onto the field.
Why? Why are these stupid curl routes?
Time beginning to run out. The quarterback throws to the right. Ball slipped out of his hand.
Jesus, come on, hold the ball.
All in. With the gloves these receivers wear, the rules that you can't touch them, there's no excuse for dropping the football.
Second and 10. Peyton able to find Demaryius Thomas. They're going to the hurry up. Back to the line. Time to this one's running out, and the defense knows it needs another stop. The tackle is made at the 40-yard line. Deckers lined up in the slot. Manning's back in shotgun formation. And that ball's nearly picked off, but he dropped it. Just 2 minutes left in this one now. Back in a moment.
Not a good job that time by the quarterback. When you see the cover 2 defense, you've got to know where to throw the football. He did not, and that's why the ball goes incomplete.
Peyton Manning from the shotgun. Oh, that could have been intercepted, but he couldn't hold on.
The defense has really done a good job here in this drive. They got this offense in a third long situation. Let's see if they can convert it.
Third down and 10. With 2 hands, he has it. That'll put them in what we call plus territory. Deckers in the slot. Manning's going to take the snap from the shotgun. Gains 12. Someone's been injured out there. Hold on a minute.
That's a good job. He's able to get up and get off the field. And my guess is he's going to be okay. A little bit of a scare there, no doubt about it. That makes everybody nervous.
Decker's going to get set in the slot for this snap. Manning standing back in the shotgun, ready for the snap. That brings the play to an end.
Well, when your team is behind, what do? Just come out there and get a first down. That's a nice job by the offense.
They've got a first down now after that catch. Manning from the gun. That catch, good for a first down. No time to huddle now. The Broncos come to the line of scrimmage, and that's a touchdown late in this one.
You go to an NFL practice, they spend about 40% of their time practicing play.
Are you kidding me?
The Broncos have been in a fight today. The score's 34-31. Deckers lined up now as a slot receiver. First down and 10. He's looking to the right here on this throw. Incomplete. Oh, close. Going in the other direction.
Just stick the football on him. When you see a receiver run around like this, they're going to the corner, driving, throwing on a line drive, so that way there can't be a mistake.
Second down and 10. Manning unforced a long pass. Touchdown.
Yes!
Stages.
Oh.
Final play of the game. A Hail Mary, and it works for the touchdown and the victory.
Every team practices this play every single week. I see it get so close to working in person many times. I've never seen it work to perfection like that. Great job by the offense.
There it is. The game has come to an end.
Oh my
It was a
gosh.
good one throughout, hotly contested, right down to the wire. Well, we saw it just moments ago, a touchdown at the end to win the game.
When you score late in the game and get a touchdown like that, boy, that just makes it double exciting. A lot of joy over there. Enjoy the big victory.
Over 400 yards.
This incredible play is the GMC Never Say Never moment of the game.
So thank you for watching. Please drop a like, comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.